Hey guys, Zylan here, and guys, look at what I just got, guys. So I just got this Epic TV, and I'm using it as my PC monitor, guys. So this is some Sony TV, and it goes up to this resolution. So that's pretty good, guys. That's pretty epic. So you can see my desktop here, and yeah, and so aside from that epic TV, which I will also be using for my consoles, guys, I also installed this into my PC, guys. How do I zoom in again? I forgot how I zoom. Oh yeah, this multimedia card reader thing, guys. Um, that's the like SD card slot things for your PC. I installed this fresh from one of my scrap PCs, from one of my old PCs that I don't use. So yeah, and it's pretty, and I'm gonna demonstrate. So you guys remember this camera, right? And how I had to use a freaking USB cable to access the files on it. So this XD card, guys. And what I can do, with this, and just put this in. Wait, where is it? I think it was. Put that in there, right? And look at that. Removable disk, open files, and look, here it is. It's so epic, guys. Look at now, I can just access all the photos and stuff. And it's so easy, it's so quick, and I don't have to suffer anymore to make videos for you guys. Like, that's so epic. And yeah, oh yeah, I got this TV for only 20 bucks. Like, it was pretty good deal. I think, yeah. I'm gonna try that out. I'm gonna try out the multimedia card on with this SD card, guys. Is it loading? The heck? It lights up. What the heck? It's in there. What the heck, guys? Where is it? Where is it, guys? It's not here. Oh yeah, I also got my DVD. Okay, well I guess this this doesn't work, guys. My old method for getting files from SD cards was putting them into this laptop first, and then putting them on this USB stick, and then putting the USB stick on in my computer. That's also a reason why a lot of my recordings would glitch. So yeah, now I won't have to really go through that anymore. But yeah, well, I guess this freaking what the heck, guys? Dude, this is unepic. Oh yeah, also my DVD drive works now again. It works again now. I was having problems with that because I had the SATA cables plugged into the wrong slots, and because of that my boot up time was significantly slower. Now it's all fixed, now it's quick again, now it's pretty epic. So yeah, just want to show you guys this really cool monitor. And my old one is still here. I put it on my desk. I was kind of getting sick and tired of it because it had a really weird resolution, in my opinion, guys. But whatever, here it is. Here's my new TV. I'll be using for consoles and as monitor for my computer. So yeah, it's pretty epic. I also got the remote and everything. So I can like choose. I don't think it has yeah, it has free AVs. Oh wait, it has free AVs. It has 4 HDMI. And I got PC here, which you can see. Yeah, my PC. You can see the specs or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty epic, guys. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and leave a comment if this was totally epic. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace.